Okay, exercise 1.2. Part 1. 2 minus x square equals to 7x. Now this is not in standard form of the equation. First convert this in standard form, then do anything else. Okay, x square plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. Now what is A? A is 1, B is 7, C is minus 2. Just put these values in formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square, that means 7 square minus 4ac. Denominator is 2a. Now it becomes x equals to minus 7 plus minus square root. What is 7 square? 7 square is 49. Minus 4 multiplied 2, 8. Denominator is 2. This becomes x equals to minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 8. Here c is minus 2, so it becomes plus 8, sorry. And 49 plus 8 is 57. Clear? Denominator is 2. X is, this is the final solution. I'm going to write the solution set. This is not furthermore factorized or anything else. So the solution set is minus 7 plus minus square root 57 divided by 2. Clear? Okay, let's move towards the part second one. Okay, second is 5x square plus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. Now what is A? This is standard form. 5, B is 8, C is 1. Apply the formula. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, and the denominator is 2a. This becomes x square equals to minus 8 plus minus just square of 8 and minus 4 multiplied 5 is 20. It becomes 64 minus 20, which is 44. Okay, and 5 2 times 10. We can make factors for 44 that are plus minus. We can write as 4 multiply 11, and we can write it as minus 8 plus minus 2 square root 11 divided by 10. Take 2 common from the numerator, we get x equals to minus 4 plus minus square root 11 by 5. This is the solution set. Clear? Third, is square root 3 x square plus x equals to 4 square root 3. Now convert this first in standard form. Square root 3 x square plus x minus 4 square root 3 equals to 0. Now this is the standard form. What is A? A is square root 3, B is 1, and C is minus 4 square root 3. Just apply formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4 a c to a. This becomes minus 1 plus minus 1 minus minus plus square root 3 multiply square root 3 is 3. 4 multiply 4 is 16. 16 multiply 3 is 48. Okay. And the denominator is 2 square root 3. Alright, x equals to minus 1 plus minus 49 2 square root 3, x equals to minus 1 plus minus 7 2 square root 3. Now the solution set is this. This is the required roots. We can write it as in a solution set minus 1 plus minus 7 by 2 square root 3. This is the required solution set. Okay, 4. Part 4 is, you can also solve this 3 furthermore, like minus 1 plus 8 minus 1 plus 7 by square root. Okay, I am going to further simplify it. You can also simplify it more. Okay, this is x equals to minus 1 plus 7 by 2 square root 3 and minus 1 minus 7 by 2 square root 3. This becomes Minus 1 plus 7 is 6 by 2 square root 3, and this is minus 8 by 2 square root 3. To 1 times 2, to 4 times 8, and to 1 times 2, to 3 times 6. It can be further. Okay, this becomes x equals to 3. We can write it as 3 square root 3. Here also square root 3. This square root is cancelled with this because there are two square roots, and second one is minus 4 by square root 3. So this is x equals to 3 minus 4 by square root 3. So solution set is this is square root 3. Solution set is square root 3 minus 4 by square root 3. Clear? Okay. Fourth is 4x square minus 14. 4x square minus 14 equals to 3x. 4x square minus 3x minus 14 equals to 0. Here A is 4, B is minus 3, and C is minus 14. X is equals to minus B. X equals to minus B, which is 3, plus minus square root B square, that means 3 square, minus 4AC, and this is 4C, this is 14, so this is 28. Okay, so solution set is 3 plus minus 233 by 28. Clear? X equals to 3 plus minus square root 9 plus 2 to 4 divided by 28. Okay, x equals to 3 plus minus square root 233 and divided by denominator is 28, and this is the required solution set. Okay, next 5. Five is 6x square. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x equals to 0. We can write it as 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Here A is 6, B is minus 7, and C is minus 3. Just apply the formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which becomes x equals to 7 plus minus minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 multiply 6 multiply minus 3 is 72. Now this becomes plus 72. Denominator is 62 times 12. We can write it as 7 plus minus 49 plus 72 is 121. X equals to 7 plus minus square root 1 to 1 is 11. So this is 7 plus 11 by 12 and 7 minus 11 by 12. So the roots are x equals to 7 plus 11 or 18 by 12, which is equals to 3 by 2, and x equals to 7 minus 11 is 4 by 12, which is minus 1 by 3. So solution set is minus 1 by 3, 3 by 2. Clear? Next is 3x square plus 8x plus 2. 6 is 3x square plus 8x plus 2. Okay, here a is 3, b is 8, c is 2. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 a c by 2a. Now this is x equals to 8 minus 8 plus minus 8 square is 64 minus 4 3 times 12, 12 2 times 24, 3 2 times 6 equals to minus 8 plus, and minus we can write 40 as 2 square root 10. Okay, how? I will explain you. Because 40 equals to 4 multiply 10, and we can write 2 square multiply 10, and we can write 2 square into 10. This is equals to 2 square root 10. Clear? Now this becomes 8 plus minus 2 square root 10. Take 2 common. X equals to 2. This becomes minus 4 plus minus square root 10 divided by 6, which is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root 10 divided by 3. So the solution set is minus 4 plus minus square root 10 divided by 3. minus 4 plus minus square root 10 divided by 3. This is the required solution set for this. Okay, next is 7. 3 by x minus 6 3 by x minus 6 minus 4 x minus 5 equals to 1. Equals to 1. Okay. First convert this equation in quadratic form. Take LCM. This becomes 3 into x minus 5 minus 4 x minus 6 equals to x minus 6 x minus 5. This becomes 3x minus 5 3 times 15 minus 4x minus 4 6 times 24 minus minus plus equals to x square minus 5x minus 6x minus minus plus 5 6 times 30. Okay, now this becomes, just add and subtract the like terms. You will get minus x 3x minus 4x minus 15 plus 24 is 9 equals to x square minus 11x minus 5 minus 6x and plus 30. This becomes x square minus 11x plus x plus 30 minus 9 equals to 0. This becomes x square minus 10x plus 21 equals to 0. Now this is a form of quadratic equation, general standard. Now a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, c equals to 21. Clear? Just apply the formula. X equals to minus b x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 a c to a. Now it becomes x equals to 10 plus minus square root 10 square is 100, 4 multiplied 21 is 84 and the denominator is 2. It becomes x equals to 10 plus minus 100 minus 84 is 16 and square root 16 is 4 divided by 2. This becomes 10 plus 4 divided by 2 and 10 minus 4 divided by 2. So x equals to 10 plus 4, 14 divided by 2 which is 7, and x equals to 10 minus 4 minus 6 divided by 2 which is minus 3. So the solution set is plus 6 and plus 3. So the solution set is 3 and 7. Clear? Okay, next, x plus 2, 8 is x plus 2, x minus 1 minus 4 minus x, 2x equals to 2, 1 by 3. Just take the LCM on the left hand side. First I am going to convert this term into rational form, which is 3 2 times 6, 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 3. If you are going to reduce this term into rational, then you are going to multiply these two numbers and add the answer with this. Okay, just take LCM here. 2x, x plus 2 minus x minus 1, 4 minus x, x minus 1, 2x equals to 7 by 3. I am going to solve numerator and denominator separately. First, numerator is 2x square plus 4x minus 4x, just write minus here, minus 4x minus x square minus 4 plus x. Okay, this becomes 2x square plus 4x minus x square, 5x minus 4. This becomes 2x square plus 4x plus x square minus 5x plus 4, which is 3x square, 4x minus 5 minus x plus 4. So the numerator is 3x square minus x plus 4. What about denominator? Denominator is 2x into x minus 1, which is 2x square minus 2x. Clear? You can also write the numerator like this or this, both have same meaning. Okay, now the above equation becomes, now I am going to write all this in equation. This becomes 3x square minus x plus 4 divided by 2x, x minus 1 equals to 7 by 3. By cross multiplication, we get 3 into 3x square minus x plus 4 equals to 7 2x square minus 2x. Now this becomes 9x square minus 3x plus 12 equals to 14x square minus 14x. This becomes 14x square minus 9x square minus 14x plus 9. Shift all the left hand side terms to the right. 3x minus 12 equals to 0. It becomes 14 minus 9 is 5 x square, then minus 11x minus 12 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Okay, now a is 5, b is minus 11, c is minus 12. So what is the formula? Just apply it. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 a c divided by 2a. Now just calculate all these terms. You will get 3 and minus 4 by 5, which is the solution set for this. Okay, I'm going to do the next. 9th, a x minus b plus b x minus a equals to 2. This is the 9th. Now again we are going to reduce this into a quadratic form, in general form of quadratic equation. Then we are going to compare the values a, b, c and then apply the formula. Okay, now first convert this in quadratic form, which is take LCM. A x minus a plus b x minus b equals to 2 x minus a into x minus b. Clear? Now this becomes ax minus a square plus bx minus b square equals to 2 x square minus b x minus a x plus a b. Now this becomes ax minus a square plus b x minus b equals to 2 x square minus 2 b x minus 2 a x plus 2 a b. Now just shift some terms to the right. This becomes 2x square. Okay, there is only one term of x square. Now compare the x values, x variable values. There is minus, not plus. Okay, this is for x. Now for square, for this is x square. Now compare for x. Minus 2bx minus 2ax minus bx. Okay, these are the variables for x. Clear? Minus, and fourth is minus a x. Okay, now compare constant terms. Okay, now constant terms. Plus 2 ab. Shift the constant terms from the left to the right. Minus a square sorry, plus a square plus b square, clear, equals to 0. This becomes 2x square minus, you can take okay, just take minus common from these all the x variables, because there are minus in these. This becomes bx and bx, 3bx plus 3ax, okay, and the constants, this is a formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a formula. We can write it as a plus b whole square, or we can write it as it is. We can use it as it is, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this is a quadratic equation, okay. Here a is 2, this is b, and this is c. Just put these in formula. Just put these in the given formula, which is x equals to minus okay, minus b, there is also a minus sign in b, it becomes minus minus plus, it becomes plus b, which is 3a plus 3b, clear. This is b, plus minus square root b square minus minus 3a plus 3b whole square, b square minus 4, a is 2, 4a, c, a square, b square, 2ab, clear. Okay, what is the denominator? Denominator is 2a. Okay, this becomes x equals to 3a plus 3b plus minus square this is a negative, because of square it becomes positive. Open this a square b square form, it becomes 3a square plus 3b square plus 2ab. Okay, this is a formula, a plus b whole square. Okay, it becomes a square, that means 3a square, 9a square plus 9b square plus 18ab minus 4 2 times 8, 8a square plus 8b square minus 16ab. and the denominator is 4. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next step, which is x square equals to 3a plus 3b plus minus 9a square minus 8a square. It becomes a square 9b square plus this, there is no plus, it must be negative, I think. Yeah, it is negative. Because there is minus 4, na? There is minus 4, then it becomes minus 8. It is plus b square 18ab minus 16. It becomes 2ab. Clear? Now this is a formula, a plus b whole square. X equals to 3a plus 3b plus minus square root a plus b whole square divided by 4. It is x equals to 3a plus 3b plus minus a plus b, and the denominator is 4. Okay, now there are two roots. These are x equals to 3a plus 3b plus a plus b 4, and the second x equals to 3a plus 3b plus minus a minus b 4. This becomes x equals to 3a plus a 4a and 3b plus b 4b. We can write it as 4 a plus b divided by 4, which becomes x square equals to a plus b. Clear? Now what about second? 3a minus a, 2a plus 2b 4, take 2 common, a plus b 4. Now x is a plus b by 2. So this is the solution set. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So solution set is a plus b by 2. Clear? Okay, last one, question 10. Part minus L plus m minus L square plus 2L plus m into x equals to 0 and L not equals to 0. Okay, just compare the variables. There is a term which is a coefficient of x square, there is a coefficient of x, and there is also a constant term. You just need to make it simple for your convenience. Just multiply the whole term with minus sign or shift all the terms to the right to make this positive. Clear? This becomes L square minus two L plus M x plus L plus M equals to 0. Now what is A here? A is L, B is minus 2L plus M, and C is L plus M. Just put these in formula. Then it becomes quadratic formula minus B minus 1 is plus 2L plus M plus minus square root B square. There is a minus sign which is positive due to square, minus 4AC. Okay, sorry. Okay, 4AC. Okay, and the denominator is 2A. Clear? Just simplify this and you get the your required roots. X equals to 2L plus M plus minus, open the square, this becomes 4L square plus M square plus 4LM minus 4L square minus 4LM, and the denominator is 2L. Okay, it becomes X equals to 2L plus M plus minus 4L square is cancelled with 4L square, 4LM is cancelled with 4LM, the only term is left which is M square. So this becomes 2L plus M plus minus M 2. Okay, X equals to 2L plus M plus M by 2, and X equals to 2L plus M minus M by 2. This root it becomes X equals to 2L plus 2M divided by 2, take 2 common from the numerator and cut it with denominator, it is L plus M. Okay, and this becomes M cancel, 2L, 2 cancel L. So the solution set is L plus M. Okay, this is the exercise complete. Exercise 1.2. Clear? All the questions were done. Still you have any problem, any query, you can ask in comments. Thank you.